Hi, so welcome to my YouTube channel. You may know me from Instagram. I've been doing that for a few months now under Bird Watching 4. I am Gemma Bird, also known as MoneyMum. Now, the reason I started my Instagram was all about my family, and the main reason was I have a topic on there which is MoneyMum. And the main reason I do that is because I am so passionate about saving money. I've always believed from a really young age that it's not about what you earn, it's about what goes out and what you do with your money. But that's the reason why I'm starting this channel, is because it's something I am passionate about. Now, being a money mum, the main thing I've sort of come on to say is this channel is going to be about tips. There is going to be massively big tips that I've learned. I have got my own online store, and I sell on eBay and Amazon, and that is a real way to make money, especially being a mum at home. No, it's not easy. It's really hard work, and sometimes I want to pull my hair out and think, why don't I just work 9 to 5 and get paid when the kids are in nursery? But I like my lifestyle. So you've got the eBay side of things that I'm going to be showing you, and that's going to be very in-depth videos, and I'm going to be doing that over a course of months and years because there's so much to learn. You've got the Amazon side, and I'm going to give you tips on how to learn and upload and sell and make money on Amazon. As I say, I do it daily. But also I'm going to be sharing small, everyday tips. As I say, if you follow me on Instagram already, Bird Watching 4, so it's going to be tips on our daily life, tips on what we do to save money on a day-to-day basis, mortgage tips. There's going to be everything you could possibly think of. So that's a little bit of background about us. I really would love you now to hit the subscribe button below. Please. You know how hard it is to get people to subscribe. So yes, I am begging. I'm really honest on here. I need you to subscribe and like this video for me and comment below. Thank you so much for even watching. If you've got to the end of this, amazing, because I know most people will probably log off after 3 seconds, isn't it? I'm learning all this as well. So any tips you've got for me as well, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below, subscribe below, and hit that like button. And thank you for watching.